This is what I found Adelaide doing. Go get it. Go get that spoon. Go get it. Go get it. She crawls. Go get it. Good girl. Go on. Go get it. She crawls. She'll crawl on the couch and she won't crawl on the floor. Hooray! Let's do it again. Come back here. Let's do it again. Ready? Go get it. Go on. Go get it. Chloe, get down. Go get it, Adelaide. Go get the spoon. Go get it. Come on. Go get it. Get the spoon. Come on. Buddy, you were just doing it. You crawled all the way across the couch. It shocked Mommy. Because you don't do that on the floor. You don't like it. Ready? Go. Look at her go. Mommy's so proud. Mommy's so proud. Yay! April 28th, your first crawl forward. Hooray! Adelaide, come see Mommy. Good girl. Yay, we're so proud. Yay! Yay, Mommy and her girl. Yay! Who's those girls? Who's those girls? Yay! Mommy and her girl. Kisses. Kisses. Yay! Mommy and her girl. Mommy and her girl. Look at the camera. Look up here. Hi. La la la. La la la. Come on. La la la.
Your new shoes are very nice, Caillou. And so.
La la la. Okay, you're all done. Bye. Yay, crawling. Mwah.